Okay, so it was a Sunday afternoon. I did not want to be too productive, but I'd gotten a little bit bored. I went for a walk and took a few photographs, but then I realized I have some fireworks here and a slow motion camera, so I should probably put those to use. The first thing I thought about is what would a smoke bomb look like in slow motion? So let's go find out. I should probably cue the dramatic music at this point to make this more interesting. Okay, so this was somewhat interesting, but not quite as interesting as I had hoped. So I thought to myself, well, I have this empty olive jar. I should just fill it with water, drop a smoke bomb into that, and see what happens. I think that makes perfect sense to me. So let's find out how that looks. A bit more music to make it interesting. I think the water messed up the smoke bomb, and that experiment ended a bit early, but it was kind of interesting. It occurred to me that I had some stale marshmallows in the pantry, so it made good sense to me that I should wad a few of them up around an M60 and light it to see what would happen. Let's find out if you can toast marshmallows using an M60. Not bad. Not bad at all. I also realized that I had a partial cucumber in the refrigerator that was starting to go bad, and it made sense to me to take some sparklers that I had purchased and wrap them up and stick them into the cucumber and find out what would happen. When you put uh, when you put sparklers together, there's a synergistic effect. So instead of just sparkling at a normal rate, they actually light each other up much faster. I learned this in a bad way one time when I lit four or five once for my friends or my daughter and her friends, and they burned my hand. I also found out if you put enough together and wrap them up and stick them together, they will actually explode like a bomb. I don't know what's going to happen here. Let's find out. They've all three lit at this point, and you can see the other end blew out. It almost launches. I think if I put 4, 5, 6, maybe 8 together, I could actually get a cucumber to launch like a rocket. Maybe that'll be in the next video. Well, all of this was somewhat interesting to me, but I was really wanting a little bit more out of all this. I decided to go ahead and just put an M60 into the end of the cucumber and see if I could blow the end of it up. Stay tuned for more of these videos. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel and check these out, and that helps me a lot. Have a great day.